Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by combining checks with action. Inspect the unit for burn marks and pull error codes from the display, then power down and remove the battery to prevent surprises. Once done, ground yourself and open the chassis using the correct screwdriver. This avoids static damage. You should also check that firmware is 1, 0 or newer and have a multimeter and contact cleaner ready, because precise voltage and clean contacts are the foundation of fixing slow motion, sparking 0 failures. You now find the root cause by measuring voltages on the power rails and watching for sudden drops or noise that correlate with sparking. While you probe, inspect contact points and connectors. Pitting, carbon, or debris often causes intermittent arcs. Once identified, use contact cleaner and a soft brush to restore metal surfaces, then receipt connectors and test continuity. This both restores stable current paths and proves whether the issue was mechanical or electrical, guiding your next repair steps. You finish by repairing the damaged components, replace blown fuses, repair PCB traces, or swap worn contacts using a proper soldering iron and flux. This prevents future arcing. Once complete, power up carefully under load and monitor voltages to confirm stability. Make sure to stand clear and use short, controlled tests. If sparking persists, isolate the subsystem and swap in a known good module to narrow the fault. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent sparks often indicate marginal contacts or thermal expansion issues. Recheck mechanical seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.